Obviously I've applied quite a lot, especially under the eye, but I really want to see if this works, and I really want to show you guys on camera as well how well it works. Like the eyes gets close to your lips, like it's just very enjoyable. I don't really know, am I weird? Am I a little bit weird? Does anyone else still open their mouth when they put mascara on? Because I just can't help myself. I'm sorry about these faces that I'm putting right now. There's very small specks of glitter in. Look at that. Can we just, look how curly my natural hair has gone as well. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button to make my day. So, another exciting Sheglam video today. I've got 4 new products that I want to share with you, but I also thought, you know, we would go through and just try some products that I already have, just in case you missed any of the other videos. I'm so out of breath. Why am I so out of breath? Sheglam is basically Sheins' own makeup brand that they recently launched, and I do have previous videos where I go a little bit more into detail about the actual products and the company itself and what their brand is about. I will leave them in the description box below so you can also check those out. I also have a discount code for you guys, so I'll put it on the screen here and again also below. The coupon code is CHEL, so that will give you an extra 15% off any orders that you place with Sheglam makeup. So the first product that I'm going to go ahead and try today, this is Sheins Silky Matte Foundation Flawless Coverage. Now again, I have used this before. This isn't a new product of mine, but I just wanted to show you guys again in case you missed it. So this is basically in the shade 106 Natural Buff, and it does come with a little pump. So I'm just going to apply that first with a brush. We'll blend it in and then we'll go over it with a beauty blender. This foundation has like the nicest smell as well. It smells amazing. I have a couple of breakouts at the minute as well. You know, is my time of the month. So I have a couple of breakouts, my skin is a little sensitive, so we'll see how well this covers, but the smell of this is just amazing. Also super mattifying, as you can see, it's a really mattifying foundation. Obviously I haven't blended it in yet, but the foundation itself is really, really mattifying. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my beauty blender. So you can see the coverage is just so good. It is a really mattifying foundation. Blend it in really quickly. Sorry, I've just changed the angle for you guys because I was a little bit conscious that you weren't really like head on, and obviously that's what we need to see. So yeah, the foundation is really mattifying, really good coverage. It's made my skin look really nice and flawless. It's covered up those blemishes. So yeah, this is a super good foundation, especially for the price. Like, some brands are gonna have to step their game up. Next product is a new product. This is the Sheglam Creamy Concealer. And it says, our soft creamy concealer delivers multi-use 16-hour perfection for all skin tones, has hydrating multi-action skincare benefits and light diffusing technology. Sounds good. This is it. So it's actually got like a really nice iridescent, you can see the Sheglam is really iridescent. The label's really iridescent. Let's give this a whirl. It's got quite a nice thin applicator, but sometimes that's good because it really gets in there. I did get this in the shade 01 Fair because I like my concealers to be quite light. Just gonna apply a little bit in this area because again, I've got some blemishes. So obviously I've applied quite a lot, especially under the eye, but I really want to see if this works, and I really want to show you guys on camera as well how well it works. So we're just gonna start here, blend. Oh. Almost gives your skin like a nice glow at the same time as actually covering. Let's just go under these eyes because like this is the main obviously culprit area. So I like it because when you first apply it, it feels like it's going to be really thick and quite difficult to blend. But as you can see, it's blending in like a dream, really smooth. It's definitely illuminating. You see, it's got like a little bit of an illuminating effect. But I kind of like that. I'm all about the glow. It's not to the point where it's got glitter or anything like that in, but it just sort of illuminates that under eye. There is absolutely no cakiness whatsoever, and that has completely covered my dark circles. So yeah, okay. And obviously I've applied quite a lot. You definitely don't need to apply that much because I've ended up sort of smudging it all down my face. But again, that has covered. It is definitely brightened. It's given me a nice little glow. We'll have to see how that sets as well. But yeah, I love it. It's kind of, I like the fact that it's not completely made all of this area look white as well. Obviously, when sometimes you get a really thick, high coverage concealer, it can make everything look really white and give you like these weird lines. And this is just blended into my foundation beautifully. Right, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my Sheglam. This is my contour stick. Just do a little quick cream contour. I absolutely love this. I've spoken about this before, again in previous videos, but you also get a little brush, so it's good on the go. And this brush is actually quite good. And then I just like to go over with my beauty blender. So this is in the shade Espresso. But again, I just like this. I'm normally not a huge fan of cream contouring because I'm quite messy. I'm quite slapdash. Like, I don't like to take my time, I've got to be honest. I like to just get it done. But this just blends really nicely. Very subtle, but it still gives you a really nice contour. And again, the price, guys, like the price of these products is so inexpensive. So I haven't got a powder. I'm just gonna set with my Charlotte Tilbury just to set everything. We'll see how this concealer sets as well. I like to use a smaller brush really under my eyes to really get the powder in there, because I find sometimes with a bigger brush, I don't always get the powder right under the eye. And what happens then is you can look, I tend to look quite greasy, or, you know, I end up having creasing. So I just really like to get in there. I'm gonna take my Sheglam eyebrow pencil. This is one of my favorite eyebrow pencils. I'm obsessed with it. It is like the cheapest eyebrow pencil ever as well. So this is called the Skinny Brow Pencil. And again, you get a spoolie. And you also then just get the product on the other side. I'm not gonna go into too much detail because I've already done a full review on this. Again, I'll leave it below, but this is just such a good eyebrow pencil. I love everything about it. The spoolie is good. Is anyone else like a huge fan of these Starbucks like sippy cups? I don't actually know how long we've had them for, but my local has only just started doing them and I love it. I love the fact that you don't have to use a straw. Obviously it's good for the environment, but I also just prefer drinking from them as well. I feel like, especially with an ice drink, sometimes if you drink through the straw, you don't really get to enjoy the full extent of the drink. Whereas I feel like when you drink it through like the sippy bit, like the ice gets close to your lips, like it's just more enjoyable. I don't really know, am I weird? Am I a little bit weird? It's like nothing worse than when you're drinking through a straw. Like I used to get this with crushons all the time, and you take a sip and then like a bit of ice just like shoots up and like hits you in the back of the throat and you nearly die. That's not fun. So I already have lashes on. I've actually had my lashes done. They need infilling, but yes, I've had them done. But I did want to try out a mascara, so Sheglam kindly sent me the all-in-one. This is the all-in-one volume and curl mascara. So I'm going to be trying this on my bottom lashes. Oh, the packaging is adorable. Okay, so there's two sides. So the first side has this nice thick brush. What's going to be on the other side, I wonder? Ooh, it's a thin brush. Okay, we're going to try both separate and then let's try them together. So I'm going to start off with using the thicker side. This would probably be the side I would use on my top lashes, but I'm going to attempt to use it on my bottom. So this kind of gives you, if you're like, you don't like that clumpy look, but you like nice, long, voluminous lashes, this is really nice for that. But again, it doesn't give you a big build up. You can see it just makes them look very natural. So let's give a go on the other side. So this is slightly curved. Does anyone else still open their mouth when they put mascara on? Because I just can't help myself. I'm sorry about these faces that I'm putting right now. So the curved side, they're kind of similar. I would say the curved side, the thinner side puts more product on, so definitely better for the lower lash. And then this side, as you can see, is a little bit more natural, but still very elongated. I'm gonna try now and just mix them up. Oh, well. I mean, when they're mixed up, they just give amazing results. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this side, put the thicker side on so you can see what happens when you actually put them on, you know, a different way. Okay, so that's what it looks like when you put both sides on. This side is actually my favorite. I don't know if you can tell a difference. This side is more full. I actually put obviously the bigger side on first and then the little side. You can obviously use them separate, but if you use both, it gives you these really nice full lashes. And there's no clumping. There's no like product down here because I hate when it does that. Okay, new favourite mascara. Sheglam are just killing it for me. They really are. I just yet to find a product that I genuinely don't like. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead quickly and just do a contour. I've got the 6 disc. This is the contouring palette from Sheglam. So you can see I could have actually used some of these as powders. There's a highlight sort of colour here, there's some powders, and then the contour colours. I actually just use this one. These are a little bit orangey for me, but again, it depends on your skin tone. Again, this isn't a new product that I'm testing today, but I just wanted to share it with you guys because again, I really like this. I think particularly if you are someone who likes blush and likes to just have everything in a palette, then this palette is very versatile. The last two are another 2 new products that we're testing today. So the first one I really wanted to try, this is the Sheglam Metallic Glow Highlighter. Now, highlighter is my fave. I absolutely love a highlighter. So when I saw this, I was like, yes. This is in the shade 101. Oh, Chelsea just threw it. So again, you know, quite nice packaging. It's not the most expensive feeling packaging, but it's still nice, again, considering the price point. But guys, look at this color. Let me swatch this. I got this because, I mean, look, it's kind of like iridescent-y actually. It looks a little iridescent-y. I got this because I just thought this would look so beautiful on my skin tone. Are we ready? Ooh. It's kind of, do you see? It's kind of iridescent-y. Has very small specks of glitter in. Look at that. Can we just, look how curly my natural hair has gone as well. Okay, let's just try this. I don't really know how to explain this product. It's a beautiful highlighter. It's very pigmented, but I would say you could also build it up. It has got very small specks of glitter in, but the reason I like it is because, oh, obviously in the pan it looks white, but actually when you put it on your skin, it is iridescent and it kind of picks up the color around you, if that makes sense. So like it's gonna look different in every single light, but as you can see, it does have a kind of wet look, glittery effect. So if you're not into that, this wouldn't be for you. But I kind of like these highlighters for things like holidays, because I just think when you've got a tan, this is the kind of highlighter I would use without actually putting makeup on. So like I would put it on, you know, just with my natural skin. But it's gorgeous. It's really, really pretty, as you can see. Super pigmented, makes me look really glowy, but it's not like over the top. But you can see, look, I've just put a bit on my chin there just to show you guys. Gives you that sort of wet look, natural glow look, rather than a, oh my God, in your face highlight look. So the last, the last thing we're gonna try is the Sheglam. This is the Star Velvet Lip Glaze set. So I'm gonna try all of these colors on for you today. Packaging is just adorable. Can we just? Comes with 3 gorgeous colors. Now, to be honest, the main reason I wanted to try this was the red and the nude. I'm all about that life. But you do also get this really nice pink, so I will just show them all on. These are super cute, like they're really good size. You could put these in your bag. Let's start off with the nude. Oh, it's very moisturizing. It kind of is like a natural nude color, more of a pink toned sort of nude. It's really, really moisturizing and really, you know, mattifying as well. It kind of reminds me, I don't like to compare brands, but it kind of reminds me of like the NYX lip cream, matte lip cream. Then we've got Y03, which is a pink color. It's a Barbie pink, look at that. I feel like these would actually last quite a while as well, because I can really feel them drying into my lips. So that's the pink. And then the last color is the red, which is Y02. And this looks gorgeous. Oh, it's like a cherry red. I love a cherry red. Love it. So this is the finished look. I really like it. Absolutely loving this red. So on that note, we got a little giveaway. I've never done a giveaway on my channel before, and I thought, do you know what? Now is the time. Let's just do a giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away the lip kits that I've got here from Sheglam, the mascara that I tested today, the metallic highlighter that I also tested, the concealer, and also the contour palette. So it's really simple, guys. All you got to do is subscribe to my channel, give me a follow on Instagram, and then I just want you guys to comment below and just tell me what your favourite Sheglam makeup product is, or if you haven't tried it, which one you are excited to try or that you want to try. So that is all you've got to do, and then you will be entered. So it will be selected randomly using a generator. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!